friends, it's akidearest, and today we are here at Yomiuri Land because we are gonna go to the Pokemon Park.
PokéPark Kanto.
Yeah, so I thrifted this amazing handmade Magikarp hat. Whoever made this, best 500 yen I have ever spent. Best Pokemon trainer around. Like, I have been waiting for this day because y'all don't know how hard it was to get these tickets. The website for the Pokemon Park just kept shutting down over and over again. So I put my alarm for 4 a.m. because that's when I knew that no one was gonna log in, and I managed to slip in there and get my tickets. I'm just glad that we got in at all, and just a couple of days after Pokemon Day, which is totally fine. Anyways, I can't stop looking at this Magikarp hat. Okay, so I downloaded the PokéPark app, and this is where our tickets should be, so we should be okay.
QR コードが多分もう1個あると思うんですけど、
I knew this was going too smoothly. We have some technical difficulties, and in case you guys are wondering. So yeah, we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna take you guys on a tour to PokéPark where you guys can come with me. Also, if you guys are coming to Japan, I can give you a tour in Shibuya if you want. The PokéPark is something that you guys have to add on your bucket list to Japan. I know that. I don't even know why I'm telling you that. It's just, I get messages all the time from people asking me to give them recommendations of where they should go to on their Japan trip that are not Don Quixote. So I've come to announce that I have started a walking tour in Japan, customized by myself and my friends over at Watto. Starting off this project, I decided to just go into the heart of Tokyo, Shibuya, because I'm there all the time. I have my regular routes that I take, and I have gatekeeped a lot of locations from tourists, and I've decided to make a tour including those, as well as some of my favorite spots to shop, my favorite places to eat, where you guys can see and experience Shibuya through my eyes. This is a digital PDF file that you guys can purchase and get it sent straight to your email, and when you open it, the tour comes along with little fun facts and personal recommendations by me and exclusive videos of me taking you guys to the location, so that it's like we're in Shibuya together. But who knows, I'm at these places so often that you might see me there anyway, so it basically feels like that you're walking in Shibuya with me. So when you guys purchase this tour, you arrive in Shibuya and you can just like follow the tour at your own pace. You don't have to follow a tour guide. I've never really been a fan of that one. I like to explore a country on my own. So if you want to enjoy recommendations from a local, I would highly recommend that you guys get this tour. It'll be in the link in the description below. And even if your Japan trip isn't happening right away, the walking tour can be bought right now and just kept on file for your future Japan trip. We're also doing a small early bird discount for those of you that do purchase the tour, just as a little thank you for supporting us early in this project. Everything you need will be in the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Yay! We're in! I brought something in your bag. Where are these? We're here! Also, check out these amazing Pokemon nails that I got done. Like, look what she did. Look at my thumb. Look at my thumb. Like, look, I got the blue Gyarados on these nails. Isn't this awesome? I'll link her down below if you guys want to check her out. She's great if you guys want like Japanese nail art. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It's so cute. It's allergy season. Oh my god. See, Joey, you do match with everyone.
Yeah, thank God.
Me, however, I don't think anybody's got this. Oh my god, the Voltorb rolling in the back. Oh, it's so cute. I see Gyarados up there along with Tyranitar. So we have to go through this building and they're calling it the Pokemon Research Lab. I hope that the camera can get that, but I think that that's like a really cute touch. Dude, I can't stop looking at this guy's bag accessories. I need to show you guys this. Whatever these accessories are, these are so cool. What are those cards? So they just gave us this little notebook, and it looks like an actual like notebook that is drawn by a Pokemon researcher. Oh, Paris. I loved this little guy when I was a kid. The rules are, don't catch the Pokemon, do not touch the berries or take any berries home. Don't hit them, don't pull them, don't sit on a Pokemon smaller than you, and don't step on them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! The starter oh no way. Dude.
Secret egg.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this makes me want to cry. Oh.
That's so cute.
Oh, this makes me want to cry. And the little incubator. Is it just me or does the guy like right outside look like the fisherman trainer? Whoa! Yay! Is this guy gonna battle us? I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Wait, wait, wait. No! What? No! Oh my god! Oh, this makes me want to cry. No! Stop.
Dude, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Dude. Hello. Hello. Okay, hold on. Get yourself together, girl. It's welcome to Route 1. You can hear the sound effects of the Pokemon too. Guys, it's just the allergies, I swear. It's so beautiful. Oh. I'm speechless, dude. I'm speechless. Hello. It's real. It's really real. Oh my god. And there's 3 little oddish hanging out here. Oh my gosh, well, why are you so pissed off? And I think that all of the Pokemon here are 1-to-1, so this is literally how big that they would be in real life. We've got a battle going on over here. Hello, my little Paris boy. Hi. Oh, you in the back, you're also really cute too. Oh, it looks so good. They're coming out of the little hole too. We've got a battle here between Raticate and Gloom. You smell okay? Yeah, you smell okay, dude. No! We're in the Pikachu and Eevee forest? Dude, I'm gonna spend so much time in here. What happened to you, little guy? Why do you have a little band-aid on your ear? Joey, it's us. It's us.
Actually, they're both female, so it couldn't be us. You can tell from the tail.
It's us. I found Diglett, and I think Eevee's trying to do us all a solid by trying to pull him out so we all know what he is. You can do it, man. Just take your time. I'll come back and check on you later. Actually, there's another Diglett over here. Look, I got a Caterpie.
Yeah, I didn't even see that.
Okay, let's go on to the next route. Don't know what that says, but I see a bunch of Apoms. I don't know where Joey was. Oh, he's at the end over there. Oh, look! There's more! Squavit! Look at him! My boy Greedent! Oh! We're in the Bidoof area? Oh my god, these little beaver guys! Up ahead, you can catch a glimpse of hardworking Bidoof as they carry branches through sometimes as cute! Is it supposed to look like that they've chewed through the bridge?
No, it's supposed to be like, oh, maybe they're taking the wood.
Oh, I like this guy up here. Hey!
Sliding down.
Look at the Goomies!
Oh, I love Goomy. Look.
No way. You can ride Rhyhorn? Okay. I never thought Rhyhorn was like particularly cute until I saw this one. He's like,
I think Rhyhorn's cute.
look at the
Because these are all apparently
Geodudes.
canon size.
Oh wow, there's a giant Steelix.
Some Roselias.
Oh, we're here! Yay! We've made it to Sedge Town. Let's go check it out. No one's reacting to this? Really? Am I the only one noticing this guy right now?
Dude, no fucking way. The pants are PNG.
So there's the Pokemon Center behind me, and there's the Pokemart. Yeah, let's go to the Pokemart. Greeted by this Psyduck with a headache. Oh, hi. Oh, okay, you can get the potions.
Oh, okay.
I thought this was a ride, but it's just like a... Oh wait, no, it is a ride. I see people in it. Never mind. I want to go on this so badly right now. Yeah, I do need an elixir because I have allergies like no tomorrow right now. Joey's gonna have a potion now. They got a giant cake and my favorite, Milcery. This is cute.
Aki and I have decided to swap hats because, oh my god, here they come!
Yay! Oh my god, can I have one? Okay, while Joey's in the toilet, I want to see what they're selling over here. Oh, the popcorn bucket. It's a Snorlax. That's cute. Oh, and it comes with a little Poke Flute too. Oh, now I found where that guy got the cards. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, they've got these giant cards. I got something. Oh, they got ears too. Oh, is there some like rice balls here? Let's see. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, no, I don't know. Is this Graveler?
No, I don't think so.
Or is it just fried chicken? Graveler or fried
I
chicken?
don't even think it's fried chicken.
I found the Squirtle squad. Hell yeah, boys. I looked up here and hold on, let me see if I can back up a bit. Let's see. You guys see it? I think that's Dodrio. It is! Literally everywhere you look, there's just a hidden Pokemon somewhere. This place is gorgeous. Oh my god, how did I miss you? There's a Jigglypuff. Hey, buddy. You gonna sing me a song? I want to try the Vaporeon one. Oh, that's cute. 15 bucks? Sure. Arigatou gozaimashita. Yay. Joey's looking for me, so he's gonna see me in this. Hello.
Hello. That's cute.
You want to see some of the merch back there?
Yeah, I do.
Check out this merry-go-round. It's so cute. They're getting ready for the next batch, so I just want to show you guys some of the details on here because it's really, really nice. Hold on. Ooh, we've got like Espeon and Umbreon. Some Rapidash. Oh, this is so cute. Man,
Oh, dude.
this is a Pokemon park done right. Found an Aber here. This is the most still I've seen him. Usually he runs away from me. You giving free hugs, bro? Can I get one? It's okay, I'll appreciate you from afar. We're gonna end the best for last. Going into the Pokemon Center. The line is pretty long because I think the park's about to close. So let's get in here. Oh my god, Nurse Joy. So cute.
Man, that's a crack party. Holy shit. That's an absolute crack party.
So here's the rest of the Pokemon Center. and it looks just like the game, except without the PC in the corner. But here's the map. Super cute. I love this place, and oh my god, wait, hold on. I'm sorry. I was gonna do my outro, but I think I'll just have Snorlax do it. Hello.
Bye.
Bye. And again, I'm doing a little tour in collaboration with Watto if you guys want to go check that out. I'll leave a link below if you guys want to see some of my favorite places around Tokyo. But thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely try to get your hands on tickets to the Pokemon Park Kanto if you can. It's pretty hectic right now as the recording of this video to try and even get in that website. But if you can, try to do it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!